All right, for next example, we have a hyperbola with crap. I think this is the center. And so the student was asking, can you write the equation? So first thing we want to do is we have the vertices, we have the asymptotes. I'm not 100% sure if I remember all the equations of the asymptotes. I'll try to do my best. Which one's b over a and which one's a over b. But for a hyperbola, though, let's see. First thing, actually, forget about that. Let's just go ahead and plot the points that I have here. And because I'm not even sure we need this, actually. So we have the point 2, 1. And then we have the vertices are going to be 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. That's one vertice. And the other one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's the other vertice. So we have the center and we have the two vertices. Yeah, we are going to need that. Okay. Wait a minute. B over A over B. Okay, yeah. All right. So this is going to have a horizontal transverse axis. So if it has a horizontal transverse axis, that is going to be, let's just write this as, that means it's going to be x, what am I doing? X squared. Let's see if I can remember this formula here. Horizontal transverse axis, that means a squared should be under the x. So I should have x minus h quantity squared over a squared minus y minus k quantity squared over b squared equals 1. Please let me know if I have that incorrect. All right, so our center is going to be our h and our k. So that's going to be at 2, positive 1. Got that. A is going to represent the distance from our center to our vertice, which in this case is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can say A is equal to 6, H is equal to 2, and K is equal to 1. All right, so the only thing we need to do is figure out our B. Now again, they have an asymptote, and I believe the asymptote equation is going to be, for if it's horizontal, that means it should be B over A. So B over A is equal to 1/3. Well, we already know A is going to be 6. So B over 6 is equal to 1/3. And therefore, you could just do a little cross multiplication. You could say 3, B equals 6. So therefore, B is equal to 2. So therefore, now I have B is equal to 2. So again, if I recall, and again, I could have those swapped because it is different when it's vertical, but I believe the slope for the vertical is A over B. So the equation here is B plus or minus B over A times X minus H plus K. So I'm hoping that is the asymptote equation for a hyperbola for a horizontal transverse axis. And if it is, then I think I'm doing everything else correct. All right. So therefore, now let's just go ahead and plug everything in. So we have X minus H. So that'd be minus 2. Quantity squared all over A squared. So that's going to be 36 minus Y minus K minus 1 over 4 equals 1. And there you go.